Hi, I'm Devin. Welcome to TRA Snow and Sun. We are solving problems related to rooftop avalanches through our snow retention system. Today we are going to talk about how to install our products, so let's get right to it.
Hello, Ben Anderson here with TRA Snow and Sun. Today we're going to be installing our H-Apex bracket on some simulated slate. Tools you'll be needing: a drill with a 5/8" socket, a tape measure, and a chalk line. Let's get started. We got 2 holes. We're going to be using 2 number 14 screws. H-brackets are used for pretty much everything retrofit. Today we're going to be using it on some Brava simulated slate. The nose of your bracket should always be at the butt of your shingle with these H-apexes. The spacing between these are always different based on TRA's free engineered layout that we provide. Take your number 14 screw and your drill. These do have a neoprene washer provided by TRA if you get screws from us. We always recommend you caulk these because we are exposing fasteners. Rinse and repeat based on TRA's layout. Pretty simple. That concludes the install of our H-Apex bracket on simulated slate. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Thank you.
You just learned how to install one of our many snow retention systems. We offer engineered snow retention layouts and quotes. For questions regarding your project, contact us at 800-606-8980 or sales@trasnowandsun.com, and we'll take care of the rest. Thanks for joining us.